Welcome to Glowbomb. In this video, we will be creating a Phrasebook app. Choose Web and enter the name of your project. Press the pencil button to open the editor. Enter the page name. Enter the thumbnail URL. Enter the text. Press the Save button to save the changes. Press the plus button to add a new page. Open the settings to change the app color. Don't forget to export the project data and download the source code. I think the app looks great.
Thank you for watching the video and let us know if you have any questions. I wish you the best of luck building your app. See you on glowbomb.com.